Monday's precise and important news. Chinese embassy in Kabul to resume issuing visas. As a result of the efforts of the Directorate of Consular Affairs of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Kabul will resume issuing visas from May 3, 2023. Thus, those Afghan applicants who are applying for visas of China can visit the website of the embassy for visa application. Hospital opened in Afghanistan's Helmand to treat coronavirus. Afghanistan Helmand Provincial Public Health Department, with the support of Asian Development Bank, opened a 100-bed hospital at the cost of $1 million to treat coronavirus patients. Acting Minister of Information and Culture meets Bamiyan's Director of Information and Culture. Acting Minister of Information and Culture Mullah Khairullah Khairkhwa, in a meeting with Director of Information and Culture of Bamiyan, Maulavi Saifur Rahman Muhammadi, praised the actions of this department and made necessary recommendations for improvement. Preliminary works of the Mazar-e Sharif Herat Kandahar railway project to be kicked off soon. Based on the decision of the Economic Commission, the preliminary works of the Mazar-e Sharif Herat Kandahar railway project will commence soon. Head of the Islamic Emirates Political Office in Doha met with China's Special Representative for Afghanistan. Suhail Shaheen, head of the Islamic Emirates Political Office in Doha, in a meeting with China's Special Representative for Afghanistan, discussed the current situation of the country, positive interaction with Islamic Emirates, regional connectivity, and the importance of trade. 15 more children with heart disease introduced to hospitals. On Sunday, Afghan Red Crescent Society introduced 15 more children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to different hospitals in capital Kabul.